If you are well connected with the crypto world, you will see that there is a rat race going on to be the best Ethereum alternative. And there are many players in the market that want to do the same. And today, guys, we will cover a special one from that list. The star of today's show is Fantom. Just as every other cryptocurrency nowadays, Fantom also intends to be an Ethereum alternative. And in my opinion, I think that Fantom may actually get successful in replacing Ethereum. You must be thinking, what makes it so special? No need to torture your brain cells anymore, as I have already done that job for you. And in this video, we are here to explain what exactly Fantom is and why it has gained so much popularity. Welcome to our beginner's guide, where you will be going through a gentle journey of Fantom. But before we go any further, let's work on our basics of Fantom first, and that is blockchain and proof of stake. What is blockchain? If we talk about blockchain, it is such a vast term, but if we talk about it in simple terms, it is a decentralized database that allows digital money to be securely exchanged on the internet. It works like a ledger of our traditional banking system, where every single record of the transaction is kept under the ledger. But the biggest asset of a blockchain is that it must be decentralized, meaning it won't be owned by anybody, giving users extreme privacy. And to govern all of this, there are certain algorithms that make up a blockchain, where one of them is proof of stake. Proof of stake. So if we talk about proof of stake, it is nothing but a blockchain protocol that verifies all the entries in the database to keep the database secure. In other words, it secures the blockchain. A blockchain protocol is a common term for consensus methods. These methods are different systems that are implemented to reach consensus and validate transaction within a blockchain network. Some of them require investors to purchase physical mining equipment, while others require no physical hardware and just the holding of coins. Proof of stake requires holding of the coins. Coming back to the star of our show, Fantom operates on a leaderless proof of stake consensus mechanism, dubbed Lachesis, that secures the Fantom network and ensures both transactional speed and security. See that each network node contains its own directed acrylic graph, which records the chronology of event blocks and respective transactions, with each node achieving internal consensus independently. Confirmed batches of event blocks are then compiled into finalized blocks that are confirmed on the wider Fantom network. Now, these finalized blocks, which form the base layer of Fantom blockchain, are composed of confirmed event blocks from the independent nodes. While independent Fantom nodes will occasionally communicate with one another about transactions and events, they do not confirm finalized blocks or the overall state of the network. This architecture results in a system that produces transactions quickly and achieves finality within seconds. Yes, we are dealing in seconds here. Fantom stresses that its proof-of-stake mechanism is leaderless, which means there are no block leaders, and no participants have a special role in its operation. Anyone can join or lead the node network at any point, and all nodes hold equal weight in the consensus protocol. Now that we understood the basics of the technology behind it, what is Fantom? It is time to dissect Fantom in its entirety. Fantom is a decentralized, permissionless, open-source smart contract platform for decentralized applications and digital assets. And yes, it is one of many blockchain networks built as an alternative to Ethereum. The Fantom blockchain mainnet went live in December 2019, and its network architecture intends to provide a viable solution to the Blockchain Trilemma by providing a steady balance of scalability, security, and decentralization. These are basically the three pillars of this protocol. You remembered we mentioned that Fantom has something special, and now it's time to look into those features that make it unique and separate it from others. What makes Fantom unique? Versatility. Starting off with the versatility of Fantom. Fantom can be used to create everything from smart contracts to NFTs, to entire metaverse worlds and games. It is just like how Decentraland was created on Ethereum's blockchain, but for cheaper. It is literally the Swiss Army knife of the crypto world. Smart contract capabilities. And as we discussed, that programmability gives Fantom a lot of versatility. And this versatility makes Fantom capable of running smart contracts as well. And you know what? Ethereum was the first cryptocurrency to offer smart contracts, and as a result of this, it has become a platform where most dApps are built. This is a major reason why it has been facing congestion issues, resulting in outages and high transaction fees. And this has created a space for the alternatives to exist and thrive. Grabbing on this opportunity, several alternatives have been developed, offering faster transaction processing at a lower cost. And one of them is Fantom, incentivized their developers. Next feature that has pulled a lot of audience towards it is the incentive that they provide to their developers. We all know that any project is as good as the team behind it, and Fantom is unique in that as they incentivize their developers pretty well. Around 370 million FTM are currently being kept aside to give to developers who are making interesting projects on the Fantom network. That is really amazing and a key motivation for many developers. Individual developers could be given as much as $1 million a month to create projects that will get users to stay on the network. This is a unique point that Fantom has cracked really well in their favor. As a user, if you've made the most of an incentive in one place and then somewhere else offers you a better one, you're going to jump over, aren't you? As an alternative, by prioritizing developers, Fantom is essentially hoping to monetize the best apps and resources. Inexpensive and instant transactions. Another main advantage of Fantom is its efficient transaction processing. It can handle thousands of transactions per second, and transactions are settled within 1 to 2 seconds. Transaction fees are typically a fraction of a cent. Yes, that's mind-boggling. In May, it was reported that Fantom had crossed 3 million transactions and was the fastest blockchain platform. Fantom cryptocurrency. And now let's have a look at the crypto token that they are offering. Upon its founding, the Fantom organization issued almost 3 billion tokens. The supply is fixed, so there can never be more Fantom. However, not all of the tokens authorized are yet in circulation. When the network was launched, 40% of the supply was set aside for investors. An additional 25% was allocated for advisors and the team of founders. A little over 31% of Fantom tokens will be awarded for staking or holding a supply of the tokens in the blockchain system to validate its transactions. This process will continue until 2024, when all available Fantom tokens will be distributed or rewarded. As of late 2022, the Fantom system was handling $12 billion of assets, making it the world's third largest blockchain system after Bitcoin and Ethereum. Apart from this, there are various use cases for the FTM tokens being offered. Now let's look into that as well. Staking. So the first one is staking, and Fantom uses a proof-of-stake consensus model for that. Transactions are verified by nodes made up of people's Fantom tokens. By staking crypto this way, you help secure the network and earn rewards at the same time. Then we have its use in governance. Since Fantom is decentralized, token holders make decisions regarding its future. By holding and staking Fantom, you can propose and vote on changes, giving its users a power to govern the decisions of the blockchain. Network fees. Another use case is that you can pay the fees on the Fantom network by using its own cryptocurrency. These fees are charged on transactions, deploying smart contracts, and creating new networks. Payments. FTM tokens can also be used for payments as well. With its fast transaction speeds and low fees, Fantom is a convenient way to transfer funds to other parties. So these were all the use cases of Fantom and how FTM tokens can be utilized as well. There you have it, guys, the Ethereum alternative, also known as the Ethereum killer, Fantom. Please consider subscribing to the channel for more, and do like the video if you found the video useful. Thanks for watching, and have an awesome day ahead. Peace out for now.